everyone, this is Helloangel.design. Today I'm going to show you how to make twist headband. If you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button below and don't forget to click the bell sign so that you will be notified. If you like my tutorial, thumbs up, make a comment below. If you're just stopping by or today is the first time of you watching my tutorial, thank you for watching, and let's get started. As you can see right here, I have cut my fabric ready, so go ahead and do the same. So before you cut your fabric, make sure you measure the length. The length that I'm making is 15 inches, while the width is 6.25 inch. So you cut two pieces the same length and the same width. And for the elastic, you cut the smaller fabric. This is 3.25 inch, while the length is 8 inches and the elastic is 4.75 inch. So first thing, what you have to do, put them together like this, fold them into two, fold them like this, and then you also fold the smaller pieces that you're going for the elastic. If you want to pin them all around, so go ahead and start pinning. Once you have done pinning, take it to your sewing machine, stitch the first one, do the same thing on the second one, and do the same thing on the smaller pieces. So place your presser foot like this and stitch along. Make sure you back stitch at the beginning, back stitch at the end. Once you have done stitching, this is how it looks. Take it to your ironing board, make sure you press it very nicely. So what you have to do, make sure that the stitches line, as you can see right here, is not at the edge of the fabric. Place it at the center of the fabric. You do the same thing on the both three pieces. Once you have done with that, fix a pin on your elastic, place it inside like this. So before you get to the end, make sure the elastic is not all the way to the end. Take it to your sewing machine, stitch across, and then push it all the way to this other side, and you also stitch across. Once you have done stitching your elastic in place, this is how it will look. As you can see right here, stitch the both edge together. The next thing to do is to fold it into two like this, and then you take the second fabric, place it inside like this. You see how it is. Then once you're done doing it like this, make sure the both are equal. Then place your elastic. Make sure the center line, as you can see, this is the center line, is facing you. Place it like this. Fold it inside and fold the second side inside. Pin it in place. So take it to your sewing machine, stitch across. Once you have done with that, and I will also show you how to also place it on the second side. Place it on your presser foot like this, as you can see, and just stitch across. Once you have done stitching, just pull it like this. So it's inside, you can hardly see it, you don't see it, the raw edges are inside. And then this is how it is. So you also come to this other end, you place it this way. Also take it to your sewing machine, stitch it across. Once you have done stitching, this is how it will look. So what you have to do, just turn it just the way you turn the first one. Turn it inside so the raw edges are on inside, you can't see it. And just fix your head, just fix your twisted headband properly. So this is how it will look. You see how cute that is. For this ending of August and September, I will be making different kinds of headband. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and make a comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.